Hi everybody, happy Handpanuary. Today's theme is beginner's mind. So for this pattern I've thought about all of the different elements that a beginner has to learn in the beginning, and we're putting them all together to make it feel a little bit less beginner. But this idea of beginner's mind, I want you to keep that throughout the whole month because it's such an important space to be in. And in fact, throughout your whole handpan journey, wherever you're at, it does wonders having the beginner's mind. Makes you keep learning. Also keeps you humble, and also stops you from having that pressure of like being good. You know, if you're like, nah, I'm just a beginner, I'm just having fun. No pressure. Anyway, let's do it. Let's do this thing. So we're starting on the ding, and then we're playing note 1 and 3 together, and then we're playing attack or knock, whatever you like. I'm going to play a knock, keep it gentle. And then on the end of the 4, we've got another ding. 3, 4, and. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Do 2 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So the second time that we play that, we're going to play note 5 and 6 to pick up into the next line, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Let's try that a few times in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Here it comes. First time without. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 4 and 4 and 4 and. So what we've got here is we've got a rhythm happening all the way through. Very simple rhythm, very beginner rhythm. Then we've got a little chord thing going on, right? And then we've got a little melody going on. All of these 3 pillars that are needed for a beginner playing, and put them all together. So we're going to turn that into something a bit more musical, something with a bit more movement and direction. And we're going to shift chord. We're going to play this one, note 2 and 4. But everything else will stay the same, except the melody is going to be the same notes. We'll just come back the other way. 6, 5 instead of 5, 6. Brilliant. Let's try that part. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Ta-da. Wait. Oh, we have to have that space in between, right? So the double ding in between. My bad. 4 and 1, 2 now. Yeah, that's better. Da gung gung da 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 ha dum dum da 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 dum dum. So just to break that down a little bit, the first time is this. 4 and. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Yeah? And then the second time is when the melody comes in. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. So we'll put those 2 together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and. And there you have it. So then when we put those 2 chordal ideas together, suddenly we've got a piece of music that's going somewhere. Like this. Back to the beginning. make that your own. If you want to share it in the community, you can. There's a community page, a WhatsApp group that you can join via Patreon if you're a member over there. Otherwise, enjoy that pattern, and I will see you tomorrow for the next one.